Hello guys, you already know it's your boy Eduardo, and today we'll be making a preview on the market and what we can expect for next week, as I promised on my Instagram. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So today we'll be starting a bit different. I'll be starting in the 15-minute time frame, guys. So if you watched my last video, I talked about this trade that I made, and I'm not going to explain it. If you want, just go to my last video. But what I can say, and that is why I actually got out of my buy opportunity, right? Is because now we reached the golden zone. We actually made equal highs on it, and we actually are respecting the golden zone. I'll be making a video more in detail about Fibonacci, but what I can say to you is that one thing that I really utilize inside my strategy is what I call the golden zone, which is this rectangle between the 50% zone and the 6-1 of the Fibonacci. Usually this is a major retraction point in gold, and what we are experiencing right now is gold is generally in this price range, right? So obviously for buys, I would like to see a break of this structure, right? And a break of this size as well, and the break of the golden zone. If we actually go to the major time frames, this is what I wanted to see to talk to you guys. Is obviously, again, guys, you see the macro gold is crazy, right? I don't expect like major retractions like in the near future. When I say near future, is like the next few weeks. But what can actually happen, and we have range to really go down, guys. And how would that happen? If I actually put my Fibonacci right in the low that made all this move, you can see that the EMA, the 50 EMA, which I talked about the EMAs in my indicator video, which I utilize as support and resistance a lot of times, you can see that the 50% retraction of the move is literally in the 50 EMA, guys. So what I would like to see for me, for my trades and to get into trades, I would really like to see this kind of retraction, guys. Why? Because again, gold has been going up a lot. I usually do not like to trade like all crazy all-time highs, because and the people that are in the market for a long time. I mean, obviously this year has been crazy, but usually in this kind of scenarios is when people lose a lot of money and there are huge manipulation moves, right? But what I would like to see for me to continue on my buys and for price to make a healthy price section, I would say I would like to see a retraction on this EMA. And as you can see, the indicator, the smart money, actually puts the three areas combined with the EMAs, right? So we put the first area of interest, right? So the first support area right here on the 50 EMA, the 100 EMA, and again at the 200 EMA, which were the major retraction points. Obviously, we have this zone of interest that, again, I talked this in my last video, actually, where I talked about the trades I took on Friday. That can also happen. But again, I would like to see this kind of retractions. But again, if we do break this golden zone, it's most likely there will be a continuation on the move. And again, I'll talk about this because this is something that I really say in all my videos on Sunday. That is, let's see how the AZ session opens, guys. This is really important to dictate the rest of the price action for the day, right? In terms of news, I mean, New Year's Eve we'll have some high impact news on USD, right? Right at the beginning of the New York session. So 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m. here in Portugal. That can also be a factor. But again, that's something that I have said this in almost all my videos, and I'll repeat it, guys, because historically these weeks, right, the Christmas week, the New Year's Eve week, are really weak weeks, right? But guys, I can't say anything about this year's price action on this time, because it has been crazy, guys. I have no words for it. It has been breaking all the, it usually is not like this, it has been breaking all of those usuallys that we usually talk about, right? So yeah, guys, basically this was my analysis on gold. Again, I'm most likely to see buy opportunities if we really break this golden zone. I'm most likely it will catch this high right here. If we do have a retraction, the three major zones I'm looking for are obviously the 50 EMA, the 100 EMA, and in it's pretty unlikely, guys, but the other region will be the 200 EMA, guys. But in my perspective, and what I would like to see is a break of this structure and we capturing obviously here the 50 EMA and it respecting and making a market fluidity reversal pattern, which I obviously talked about in another video, that will be like the perfect thing to happen. But again, guys, Asia session will open like in 2 hours, and meanwhile I'll post this video. If you find it before Asia session opens, you might see my opinion, and if you catch it after, obviously you can go back to the time frame you trade, right, your platform, and see my analysis if you're right or wrong. I'll obviously post my Instagram, my results on Instagram, guys. So again, this is what I'm looking for. If it generally breaks this golden zone, I'm looking to make more buys, obviously. If not, if it breaks at the lower side, I'm waiting for some kind of retraction and for some kind of market fluidity reversal pattern, so some reversal pattern, dodgy candles, bullish engulfings, so something that really tells me that the price has respected, especially if it goes to a area like an EMA, because again, guys, you can generally just break the EMA, come here to the golden zone and then close above. That's what we are looking for. So closing above at least at the 1 hour time frame, guys. So this was my analysis. I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know if I'm going to upload more. Like next video might be in 2026, guys. I don't know. I'll check into it. If I have some important topic that I want to talk to you guys, I'll make a video about. But if I don't, guys, I wish you the best 2026. It's going to be a crazy year. If you're a trader, if you're not getting the results you want, don't worry. Just keep the grind in. The only way for you not to fail is if you do not give up. Generally, do not give up. I've been through so much, guys, and I never gave up. That's why I have results. That's why people respect me as an authority inside of the market. That's why now I'm an educator inside the space. So I never gave up. I lost like most people lost, and now I'm here and I have so much to grow, so much to learn as well. I mean, I've been learning so much from just talking to you guys. So I'm really happy to be here, and I wish all of you the best year of your lives. Okay, guys? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and nice trades, guys. Let's go.